The online auxiliary heater enables remote setup of an auxiliary heater or ventilation in the Škoda Connect app. The app allows for easy and quick setup of the temperature at the desired time. The ventilation can be set up in a similar way. Choose either heating or ventilation, set the time, and click on Start. After clicking on the Start button, the S pin must be entered. This is to avoid unauthorized use. You can turn off auxiliary heating or ventilation at any time by clicking on Stop Ventilation or Heating. You can also set regular departure times. Click on Calendar in the bottom right corner, select the day and time, and switch on or off your time schedule, and save it by clicking on Save. You can easily control independent heating by selecting a relevant tile, settings, and then by setting the time.